Meet the giant panda. It is one of 8 bear species in the world. Right away you'll notice the striking characteristic of the pandas, those black eyes. And another item associated with the panda is its love of bamboo, as you can see here. Pandas will roam around their territories looking for the best kinds of bamboo plants to eat so they can get all their nutrients to survive the seasons. Their teeth are adapted to easily crush the bamboo shoots and leaves. Pandas will spend the majority of the day eating. Good for you, panda. Even panda cubs, which you can fit into the palm of your hand at birth, will start chomping down on bamboo at 6 months of age. They'll need to eat a lot to quickly mature to an adult size at around age 2, which can easily be 200 to 300 pounds. Giant pandas reach sexual maturity between the ages of 4 and 8 and may be reproductive until the age 20, which is close to the end of their life in the wild. But in captivity, they tend to live longer and can reach 30 years or more. For years, scientists weren't sure if the panda was a true bear. Was it related to the raccoon or the red panda? Well, it turns out it is a true bear, with its closest relative most likely being the Andean bear that lives in South America. Now, pandas obviously live in China, and their territories have been cut short by logging and land usage for agriculture. Their current range is just a few small fragmented areas of mountain ranges, which sadly is only a small portion of what their range once was. The current status is listed as vulnerable, which means they need our help. Recent surveys suggest there are less than 2,000 pandas left in the wild. In captivity, there are around 300 pandas, with most of them living at breeding centers in China. China will loan out pandas to zoos around the world for a fee. That fee can be well over $1 million a year, which then goes back into panda conservation. Just think if we had that kind of setup for other animals. Africa, you would be rich. Now in the Americas, you can find pandas at 4 zoos in the US, 1 in Mexico, and 1 shown here in Toronto in Canada. In fact, these shown here are the first 2 panda cubs ever born in Canada. These rare twins are only a year old. Panda bears can for sure help boost the attendance to a zoo, but some North American zoos actually report a net loss for pandas because of that large fee you have to pay for them. So the future of captive pandas here in the US will be closely watched, as there is a debate. Is China asking too much? And could that money be used somewhere else with maintaining the current collections of other species or in helping fund other field conservation projects? Well, one thing's for sure, pandas help grab the public's eye, which is a good thing as all wildlife needs all the attention it can get. For more information, please read this video's description. And as always, thanks for watching.